All right, we're here in front of the Fast and Furious new ride about to open, but surprisingly, in the same building, the 101 Exchange store just opened up. So I'm going to take you on a little tour. You can see the windows here are really nice. They're almost Disney quality. But I'll take you through some of the merchandise that's here. Now, a lot of this is the same as up front. I'm not going to go through most of this because the price and all, but just to give you a couple ideas, this little fan has no price on it, so that's typical. But these Tram salt and pepper shakers are pretty awesome for $20. And there's like a Loungefly backpack here, and that is $65. I have Christmas ornaments because it's the Christmas time frame when I'm taping this. These are $20 each. They're hollow, and they're pretty cool. And if you want to be a little overworked with your fashion, these are $60, the hoodies there. Now the main thing that they have over here is the Fast and Furious merch, which I'll go through with you pretty quickly here. The Fast and Furious t-shirts are $27. And they have a bunch of kids ones here. A lot of shirts. These are $40. This one here is $85. This one $28. But these are all just generally Fast and Furious and not Fast and Furious Drift, which is the name of the thing. Here's, they've got like these little imitation Funko Pop guys. I think these are $40 each. A little Loungefly bucket. I can't really reach that, and I don't want to tear their whole thing down. So these are $65, these hoodies. And they have some original props here from the actual films. So this one down below are Fast 5. This is from Furious 7. That's F9, the ninth in the season, or in the series rather, and Fast X. There's a couple on top that are just a little hard to see because I'm short. Now they also have, let's see here, all of this merch, which again is not really Fast Furious specific, but interestingly these Wild Speed, and these are patches, they're stick-on or sew-on, and those are $14 a piece. They're kind of raised into a fabric material. And they have these guys, and those are $45. I got some cool Chucky stuff, but again, I'm kind of here to do the low. That guy's $70. So if you really want a Chucky bound, you can do that. Although, wait, one more thing I gotta show you though. These are pretty cool. These Chucky socks are pretty awesome for $22 for a set. So you actually get more than one. I like the little raised buttons on those. It's pretty cool. There's some other stuff behind the counter over here. Let's see. Oh wow! Do you have those out in the other area? Those are the patches, and those are the like cup holder things.
Yeah.
How much are those?
The cup holder is 12.
So those are 12. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you.
Patches are 14.
14, yeah.
The pins are 15.
All right, and they got pins for 15. Oh, they're pin sets, huh? There's like 3 of them there. 4 of them.
4.
Yeah, I see them. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, so there you go. So there's some prices on that stuff. Let's see. This is all mostly just generic Universal stuff over here. They do have, interestingly, some of the Nest stuff from the Transformers ride over here. And then, let's see. A lot of the Monster stuff, I'm assuming this is an import from Dark Universe, but none of it really says Dark Universe on it. There's some Jurassic Park stuff. Now, here's some more Fast and Furious. These are pretty cool for $90. That's actually not too bad for a nice jacket like that. Let me see if there's anything on the back just out of here. Oh yeah. Well, you can be the envy of all your friends if you have any wearing that. And then Fast and Furious, this guy is $27 for the hat. Oh, there's a little Loungefly. These are $55. Those are actually pretty cool. Fanny packs for $35 each. And then $20 for the socks, and in case you're wondering, it's one pair in that, and it has the logo on the bottom. Now again, none of this really has the Fast and Furious stuff from the ride itself. These little nano sets, I'm sure you can just buy these online anywhere at $45, and we already went over that guy. Now here's a new shirt that we haven't seen, and those are $33 each. There's some Jurassic Park stuff here. Obviously the Marty McFly hats from Back to the Future too. Those are so cool. for 35. If you really wanted Marty bound, you can grab that guy. Back to the Future stuff. Again, I can go over that in a separate video. Almost done here. Lastly, there's the Tram pillow, which is one of my favorites. I really like these. These are 35. There we go. Dollars each. And they kind of have the logo on the back. Those are cool. That's probably one of my favorite things here. And then these shirts are really neat, kind of in a retro style. And there was a similar one that I actually have from like the 40th anniversary or 50th anniversary of the tour, whatever it was. These aren't marked though, unfortunately, so I can't tell you how much they are. Oh wait, there we go. These are $37 each for the baseball shirts. Some Jaws stuff that you've probably seen before, and again, I can go through this on a future video. Just wanted to show you some of the general merch that they have here, give you an overview of the store itself. It's really pretty, sticking with the theme. It doesn't look like the ride exits here though, because the walls in the back are all sealed. So this is separate from the attraction itself. Oh, these keychains are pretty slick too. Actually, see, those are, I can't even read that. $18 for those little guys. Well, Back to the Future pin sets are cool too. So anyway, all right, I'll say the prices on those are $15. Oh, and then we kind of didn't show you this. Here, I'll get around there. This is actually Toretto's costume, worn by Vin Diesel in the film itself, which is pretty cool. You can kind of see that. See that they integrated some of the original props into here. I'm gonna come around here too and double check. Man, those hoodies are a lot. So oh, these are really cool actually. I kind of didn't see these. Almost like a sling bag fanny packish sucker for $50. And keep in mind, if you do have an annual pass or know somebody who does, I think you get 10 or 15% off all of the stuff in the store. So that kind of helps you along too. Let me see if there's anything else over here. They've got these lanyards. So you're going to show your Universal pride. You can do that with these guys. Oh wow, they have a little bunch of earrings too. Look at these. Those are all pretty cool. I'm going to assume they're all the same price. $15 if you want to jingle it up. This is all generic merchandise you can kind of get anywhere. Don't really need to get it at this particular store. A lot of candy up in here. Let me see, and I think that's about it. So, oh yeah, and then the Happy Holidays ornaments for $15. Again, it's Christmas time when I'm filming this, so that makes a little bit of sense. If there's anything in here that I didn't mention that I just kind of walked by, like the Jurassic Park stuff, let me know. Next time in the park, I'll comment and do a little post to tell you how much it is. So if you want to know, just let me know. But there you go. There's an overview of the new Universal Studios store with at the more or less at the exit, I would say, of Fast and Furious, the new ride that's coming in 2026. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. It really does help me out. I know everybody says that, but I genuinely mean it. It really does help me out. And I will see you for the next video. Thanks for watching.